Hi friends, here is the video on how to make an automated touchless hand sanitizer. Let's get started. Here is the circuit. You can download it from the link given in the description. Connect the movable contact of the 10 kΩ variable resistor to third pin of the IC. Connect the 10 kΩ resistor and positive terminal of the IR receiver to second pin of the IC. Connect the negative terminal of the IR transmitter to a 100 ohm resistor. Connect the emitter pin of the transistor TIP 32C to 8th pin of the IC. Connect the 1 kΩ resistor to first pin of the IC and collector pin of the transistor. Now connect the components to VCC and ground as shown. Take two wires and connect one of them at collector pin of the transistor and another at the ground. These wires to be connected to the submersible motor. Connect the battery clip to the VCC and ground. Cut the excess part of the zero PCB. Now take one plastic bottle, make proper holes on the cap and insert the motor pipe and wires. Now connect the motor to the motor wires. Use heat-sink rubber tube to cover the joints. Pour the hand sanitizer into the bottle. Stick the circuit and battery on the cap. Now connect the battery. That's it. Now your project is ready to dispense the sanitizer automatically when it detects an object. Thanks for watching. For any query, do comment, do subscribe, give a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share. Thank you.